We are on to the second part of our lesson now. We'll talk about the segment addition postulate. So the segment addition postulate says that if B is between A and C, so point B here is between points A and C, then the length of segment AB plus the length of segment BC is equal to the length of segment AC. Okay, so I can add this segment plus this segment, and the sum of these equals this segment. Okay, so in reverse, it also says that if the lengths of AB and BC add together to make the length of AC, then point B is between A and C. Okay, so this segment addition postulate only works when there's a point between two other points. Okay, so we've got a couple cities shown on a map here that lie in approximately a straight line. Use the given distances to find the distance from Lubbock, Texas to St. Louis, Missouri. So from Lubbock to Tulsa is 380 miles. From Tulsa to St. Louis is 360 miles. If I add those together, 380 plus 360, that will give me the distance from Lubbock to St. Louis. Okay, so I can take a calculator here and add 380 plus 360, and I get 740. So from Lubbock to St. Louis is approximately 740 miles. Okay, use the segment addition postulate to find the length of segment XZ. So XZ is from here to here, and I need to find that length. I know that it's made up of a section here. This segment is 23 units. And this one here is 50 units, so all I have to do is add those together. 23 plus 50, and 23 plus 50 is 73. So the length of segment XZ is 73. Okay? In that same diagram, the length of segment WY is 30. Can you use the segment addition postulate to find the distance between points W and Z? So the distance from W to Z. The distance from W to Z is this right here. It's this straight line distance. I can't use the segment addition postulate because Y is not between W and Z. So the answer is no, and the reason is that point Y is not between points W and Z. Okay, next we are going to use this next diagram to find the length of segment GH. Okay, so if I add segment FG and GH, so the length of FG plus the length of GH, that will give me the length of segment FH. I know segment FG has a length of 21. I do not know the length of segment GH, but I know that the length of segment FH is 36. So if I subtract 21 from both sides, I will find that the length of segment GH is 15 units. Let's add one problem to this. So if I have a segment AC and a point B that is between them, and I say that AB has a length of x minus 4 and BC has a length of 3x plus 2, and I say that AC has a length of 18. We're going to find the length of segment AB and the length of segment BC. So I know that if I add these two segments together, x minus 4 plus 3x plus 2, that their total will equal 18. That is the segment addition postulate. So if I combine like terms, x and 3x is 4x. Negative 4 plus 2 is negative 2 equals 18. So I'll add 2 to both sides. So I get 4x equals 20. And I'll subtract 4, I'll divide by 4. And 20 divided by 4 is 5. So I have a value of x of 5. The length of AB is x minus 4, which is 5 minus 4, which is 1. The length of AB equals 1. BC is 3x plus 2, so that's 3 times 5 plus 2, and that's 15 plus 2, which is 17 for the length of BC. And 17 plus 1 equals 18, so that's a nice way to check. Make sure they actually add up to 18 like they are supposed to.